Hello everyone, welcome back to EFIN. Today I'm going to show you how to take orders from the order book. Now there are two types of orders in EFIN, sell orders and buy orders. Sell orders appear with red in the order book and in the sell category. Buy orders appear with green in the order book and in the buy tab. Now let's say I want to buy TPAY using Bitcoin. That means I have to take a green order. If you click one of them, it will show you exactly what you're going to buy and what you're going to exchange for it. So by taking this green order, I'm buying 60 TPAY for 0.1 Bitcoin. If I confirm it, the transaction will start processing. And you'll be able to see it right here in the Open Orders tab. If you mouse over it, you will see a small notice of what the current process is. For example, you just see it just changed, which means it went along. When it's complete, your funds will be in your wallet and the wallet of the person you traded with. Now, let's say I want to take a red order, which is a sell order. And let's say I want the Litecoin TPAY pair. Now I can go here and choose one of these. Which one is the most convenient for me? Now the most convenient would be the one that has the lowest price. So in this case, I would buy one Litecoin for 189 TPAY. Most convenient orders are the ones from the bottom. These are as close to the market value as possible. If you feel like the price can be higher, you can choose an order that's higher in price. For example, I want to buy one Litecoin for 191 TPAY. And I just click confirm. Again, the processing will start and I'll get notified when I receive the funds with a notification. This is how you trade using the order book in TPAY. You can take any of the available orders as long as you have enough cryptocurrency for both the fees and the order itself. Thanks for watching.